Hello, good afternoon po everyone. Welcome again at sa ating Tuesday Basketball League here at STI Cubao. Ayan. Together, sir boy. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of Sir Police Brigadier General Saro, Police Brigadier General Yaneta, and Police Colonel Monsawan. Ayan. PMAJ Boyong Banan, our official ball sponsor. And sa ating PSSLAI, or a Public Safety Saving and Loan Association Incorporation. Ayan, shoutout din po ala Sir Alvin Lejano, Class 2006, Sir Ulysses Dimitui, Class 1998, and the Abonita Basketball Academy. Kasama rin natin ang San Sinirangan, Class 2007, at kay Sir Police Lieutenant Colonel Alex Abonita, our Tournament Director. Police Captain Alan Malapit, our Tournament Operation Head. And also, maraming salamat din po kay Sir Police Major Charles Carino, our Tournament Administrator. Ayan, shoutout po sa lahat ng ating kapulisan. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Once again, this is our second day ng ating Lakan right. Let's go. Lakan Light versus Lakan Dark sa ating labang ito. Good luck from both team. Ayan, sa ating light, same team pa rin tayo, if I'm not mistaken, sa pangungunayan ni ating Police General Abonita. Ayan, muli shoutout po sa Abonita family, Jai and Jay, the Abonita family, shoutout po. Ayan, kasama natin sila Jai and Jay. Dito lang sa ating corner. Mukhang maglalaro sila maya-maya. Okay, go! Let the battle begin. Good luck to both of you. Let's go!
Mahabol pa ba ito? Hindi na.
Hindi ko na po. Mamaya na lang. Send mo lang ito, sir. Thank you po. First quarter. Bola rito ng white or Lakan Light. And a steal by jersey number 4. Hand off. Bounce pass. Pull-up jumper. Basket by jersey number 16 for Lacan Dark. Number 88, wide open. Yes, sir! Para sa tres by jersey number 88. Number 98 to number 4. Bounce pass to number 16. Kick out. Pass to number 98. Wide open. Yes! Para sa dress. Nakabawi ang Lacan Dark. And that's a 3-point. Bounce pass. Wide open. No. Rebound ng light shirt. Sa loob. What a nice move. Bumabali si Sarge. Tabla tayo. Number 4, pinasa loob. Basket yan. Seven, 5. From the corner, 3. No. Rebound by number 3. Kick out to number 8. Hesse. Bounce pass. Fake. Drive and score for Team Light. Tabla tayo. Oh, correction. Tumira sa tres. No good. Rebound number 30. Missed the shot. To number 4. Top of the key. Short. Bola rito ng light shirt. Bounce pass to number 88. Uy, sidestep, miss. Rebound ng mga naki-team. Ayan na, sa number 22, Hesse. Running shot, no. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 7. Number 7, what a nice pass. Ganda naman ang execution doon ng Lacan Light. Oopsie. Kick out. Sidestep, too strong. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Ayan na, 2 against 2. Stop and pump for 3. No good. And out of bounds. Thir- 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Kick out. Number 88 for 3. Too strong. Rebound on Dark. Here we go. Up and under. Too strong. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Pass to kick out. Oop. Binigay sa corner. Setting on the play. Bounce pass. Isa pa. Uy, what a move. Wow, sayang. Another rebound for the Light. Fake and gets the foul. By number 20. On the free throw area, number 20. For Team Light. Sige po. Number 20 shooting the line for the second time. Number 20 miss rebound. Ayan na ang dark shirt. Number 20 to number 30 binigay sa corner. Drive to number 16. Fake, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Bola rito ng mga nakaputi. Oopsie. And that's a jump ball. Sub. Mandatory substitution. That's a mandatory substitution. Bola rito ng mga dark shirt. Number 16. Number 16. Sa loob. Kick out to number 4 for 3. In and out. Rebound. Ayun na. Out that pass. Another steal for the dark shirt. Number 30. What a nice extra pass by number 22. And score. Fishes.
Time out, mag-sub kami dito. 5 minutes naman. Time out.
Time out. Lacan Dark.
Walang base.
Fishes scores 9-10. Lamang po kayo isa.
Ano score, boss?
9-10 po. Lamang po kayo, sir.
Ha?
Lamang po kayo, 9-10. 10 po, 10. Isa-isa. 10-9. Nice pass. Fake. Too strong. Rebound ng Dark. Number 16. Hesi. Oy, too strong. Rebound by sir. Out that pass. Ayan na. Oy, pinali. Siren. Nice score. Layup. Change favor. Lamang ang light ng isa. 11-10. Number 0 to number 16 rather. Number 16, fake drive and score. Out and pass. Oh, nice pass. Sagutan tayo. Change favor, 13-12. Cross-court pass, number 16. Binigay sa corner. Nabitawan. Ayan na. Number 20, all the way. Basket is good. Yes ba? Ay!
Type C yan.
Ah?
Type C yan.
Hindi po sa akin. That's a 3 seconds violation. No good. Number 4, what a nice. Uy, nabitawan. To number 16, fake. Shake and fake. Take a shot. Oh, another rebound. Number 16 at the post. Binigay sa corner. Fake, drive, block from behind. 11 seconds shot clock. Shot clock to shoot. Ay! Ano ba? Type-C po ba kailangan? Doon kayo sir, meron ako charger doon. Sa gilid. Pag-blow na lang mano ah. Extension. Ay, doon sa kabila. Excuse me po. Jump shot. Oh. 4-3. No good.
That's
15-12, lamang ang Lakan Light. Number 7, kick out. Wide open, no. And out of bounds. Gets the 3, no good. Number 20 basket. Stop and pump, no. Too strong, isa pa. Oh no. Susubok. And that's the end of our first quarter. 17-12. 5-point lead para sa Team White. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Lakan Light. Tayo dadako na po sa ating second quarter.
May yaman ng video mo, i-google drive mo ba yan?
Ay, nasa YouTube naman din po. Nasa YouTube naman din po.
Nasa?
YouTube. Pwede ko rin bigyan mamaya. Bigyan ko rin kapya. Bigyan ko rin kapya.
Sige.
Paano mo na-sir mo yung mama? Paano mo na-sir? Tignan ko, napaga. Alright, back to the ball game. 12-17 in favor of Lakan Light. Basket. Saya na po, saya. No basket? Almost a steal. Wide open, too strong. Ayun na ang dark. Number 22, bounce pass to serve. Oy, nabitawan. Against the foul. On the free throw Cabrera, number 22. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. 13-19. Babasa 6 ang lamang ng Lakan Line. 4-3, no good. Fade away, no. Ayan na, tumatakbo ang Dark. Catch and shoot. Yes, sir! No! Rebound. To number 10, bounce pass. Basket count and 1. By number 22, that's Aurin. Eight minutes and 39 seconds. Number 30, right shot, no good. Not pass. Number 16, 4-3, no good. And out of bounds. No. Wala pa rin. Hey! Kick out, number 81, 4-3. No! Rebound ng mga white shirt. Outlet pass. Number 1. Uy! Pasa pala yun. Galing. And that's a travel. Violation. Bola rito ng Lakan Dark. There's a foul. Basket. 90-17. Uy, nice pass! Basket! Official score po natin 20-17 according sa ating official. There's a foul. Ay, mga dito muna. Light, Lakan. Tatlo, sir. Tama po ay tatlo. Ay, tama. Tatlo.
Tama kami. Ayan ka na naman eh.
Tatlo sa bawal. Tatlo lamang na. Yes, sir. Sorry, sorry. Fade away, wala. Rebound by number 0. Outlet pass, number 88, basket. 22-17 in favor of the dark team. Number 88 for 3, no, rebound by number 0. Outlet pass. Oh, nice pass, number 16, all the way. Tignan po. Pumasok, sir. Number 16. No. Change. Change 5. Change 5. Alright, official score is 24-19. Lamang ng 5. Ang Dark Lakan. Time remaining 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Bola ng Dark. Let's go. Number 4. Fake. What a pass. Oopsie. That's a travel. Kitang-kita yun. Ano yung mga official referee. Sir Boy. Pass to number 47. Bonita. Bigay sa corner. Tumira. Bam! 3. Assist by Sir Boy Abonita. Setting on the play. Catch and shoot. Short. Pasa pala yun. Uy, gets the foul. First shot. 24-22. Pasok. Sir, 25. Masok na ba? Masok po, masok. 25 na, second shot, basket. 26-22. Apat na po ang lamang ng Lakan Dark. Sir Boy, bad pass, steal. Ay na, nagmamadali. All the way. Basket yan para sa Team Dark. 28-22. Up by 6. Sir Boy looking for his teammate. Kick out. Tumira sa 3. Uy, short. Rebound. Number 20. Pinasa ulit. Wala. Rebound. But this time, makakuha na ng Dark. Ayan na. Derecho. Back-to-back basket. Para sa Team Dark. 30-22. Drop pass and gets the foul by number 16. Three minutes. Last 40 seconds. Dalawa pala kami. Last 40 seconds sa ating first half. Number 0 to number 4 gets the foul. Last 28 seconds.
Dapat kung ano yung tinawag, yun talaga ang nangyayari. Pero kung sobrang
Basket. Last 28 seconds. 28. 25. Kick out. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 7, 6. Wow! 3, 2, 1. Oy! Munti ka na. And that's the end of our first half. Official score 37-29 in favor of the team Lakan Dark. Babalik po tayo para sa ating second half. Number 98 for 3, short. Ayan na, rebound, outlet pass. What a nice extra pass, fake. Basket. 30-24 in favor of the Lakan Dark. Jabol.
dalawang nagagawan.
Sir, 4 minutes? 4 minutes tayo. 3 na lang. Sige po. Apa, sige po. 2 minutes. Thank you, sir. Time remaining. Two minutes and 57 seconds. Lamang pa rin po ang Lakan Dark. Sir Boy, kick out. Bad pass. Bola ng Dark. Number 0, jump shot is good. 32-24. Number 8. Pass number 8. Sa loob. Fake. Fade away. Short. Rebound ng Dark. Inigay. There we go. Pinasa. To number 14. Top of the key for 3. Short. Rebound by number 20. Sir Boy. Bonita lang mamadali. Oh, nice pass. And one. Basket count plus a foul. Assist by Sir Boy Abunita. Shooting the line number 20 for a 3-point play. 2 minutes and 49 miss. Rebound ng Dark. Number 0. Oops. Alright, we're going to the third period. Third quarter po tayo. Let's go. Basket is good. 31-37 in favor of Lacan Dark. Nice executed. Good, sir. Thank you. Take a shot. No. 4-3. Basket. Thirty-nine, 34. Naman pa rin po ang Lacan Dark. Number 88, in and out. Ah, sige po. Forty, 34. Second shot is good. 41-34. No good. For 3 short. Number 47. Number 0, no good. And there is a foul. Five minutes and 55 seconds. 34-41.
Sa
Ah, sige po.
team yan.
Sige po. Wow! M. Sara for 3, 37-41. Basket by number 22. Okay, back to the ball game. This is the battle between team Saros versus team Sir Laneta. O Laneta rather. Let's go. Ang mga naka-white, ang team Saro. Kala Sir Saro. And team Dark, ang team Laneta. That's it. 45-37. In favor of Team Leoneta. Sir Bonita, binigay sa corner. Wide open. Oh, good. That's it. 45-39. Team Leoneta. Cross-court pass to number 88. 98-43. Wala. Number 16. No. Another rebound. Wala pa rin. Isa pa and one. By jersey number 22. Sir, sorry. Nawala ako. Nawala. 47-39 in favor of the Team Dark. Or Team Leoneta rather. Number 20, kick out. No. Gets the foul. No good. Remaining time 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 40% sa ating official. No good. No good. Steal by number 98 to number 16. What a strip. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Time out. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Bad pass, steal. Number 22, basket. And a steal by number 4. Another steal. Drop pass, number 8, basket. 49-41, down by 8. 40 seconds. Number 28 for 3. Whoa. 30 seconds. Basket. For Team Dark. Sidestep and score. 15 seconds. Kick out number 28. Yes, sir. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Counted, rep. Rep.
Tumigil ka ng matagal! Wala ka talaga! Yan naman.
Alright, buzzer beater para sa Team Saro. 45-53 in favor of the Team Llaneta. Lamang kayo. 53-45. Wala. Wala. Lamang. Team Sir Llaneta. Counted yun para sa ating counted. Meron ka? Lamang pa rin po dito ang Team Llaneta. Yes, sir, pwede. Alright, we're going to the fourth and last quarter. Tama sir, no? May last quarter tayo. First game. Last quarter round. And first game, last quarter. Good luck from both team. Ayan na. Lamang ng 8 ang team ni Sir Llaneta. Sa the Dark team. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung makakabol dito ang team ni Sir Saro and Sir Bambonita. Let's go. Fourth quarter. Game number 1. 4-3. Miss. Oy, bad pass. Number 8, stop and pump. Wala. Number 4. Pass to number 98. Nasa corner. Wide open. Yes, sir. Fortress. By jersey number 0. 56-45. Lamang ng 11. Ang Dark team. Up and under and 1. Oh! And that's a offensive foul for Team Saro. Basket is good. 58-45. Cross-court pass. Fake. Drive. No good. Out of bounds. Cersaro, jump shot, no good. Number 20, basket. 47-58. Down by 11 point. Ang Team Dark. Number 0, miss. And rebound by number 8. Ayan na, tumatakbo. Uy! Number 23. Mr. Gonzalo. Babasa 8 ang lamang. 9-point lead. Number 4, fake. Pinasa gitna, tumira, wala. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Diretso, wala na spin. Uy, wala. Rebound ng Dark Team. Hesi kick out. Pinagay, bounce pass. Uy, ganan naman ang pasa na yun. That is an unselfish play for Team Llaneta. 60-49. 11-point lead para sa Team Llaneta. Team Saro, may taka ng bola. Sir Saro for 3, no good. Fake, spin, drive, no. Rebound ng mga naka-white shirt. Team Saro. What a pass. What a nice extra pass. Ganda naman ang pasahan na yun. For Team Saro. Timeout muna rito. Ang Team Llaneta. Official score 60-51 in favor of the Team Llaneta. Siyam na lang po ang lamang ng Dark Team. 9 po, 9. Ayan, time remaining 5 minutes and 52 seconds. 5 minuto sa ating last quarter nating first game. Ayan na, magkakaalam na tayo sa dulo. Sino kaya ang makakaunang panalo sa ating second day? 51-60, 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Let's go for both team.
Ilan namang set?
Siyam. And steal. All the way, basket. Baba na lamang sa 7. Number 60, spin. What a nice pass. No good. Rebound. Fake to number 0. No. Rebound by number 47. Ayan na. Binigay. Team Cersaro block from behind. Time out, Team Saro. Or Team Light. Official score 53-60. 7-point lead. Labang niyo po, 7. in favor of the team Laneta. Pass.
Okay, kamay ka, Jay.
Hello? No good. Wala? Number 22, drop pass. Oy, wala. Four minutes and 11 seconds. 4-3, no. Number 30, in and out. Wala. Pass number 22, bounce pass. No, isa pa. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Guess the third shot. And pasok na yan. For team Laneta. Sir Boy, no. Three minutes and 21 seconds. Number 16. Number 16, jump shot is good. Very nice. Ganda naman footwork doon, sir. Sir Abonita. Ay na naman Mersa sa loob. Uy. There's a foul. Two minutes and 54. 53-64. 11-point lead para sa team Laneta. Basket for Sir Boy. Sampu, lamang. 54-64. Wala. Isa pa daw. Three pala, sorry. Basket. Nine-point lead para sa team Laneta. Okay, ganda ng pasa. Nalusot. Ayun na, Sir Boy. What a nice extra pass. Oh! Ayan na. Baba ulit sa Sham, 57-66. Cross-court pass. Inagay kay number 0. Essie. Sa loob, number 16. Hook shot, miss. Rebound. Number 7, nagmamadali. Number 7 and gets the foul. By number 28. On the free throw area, number 7. Sir Boy Abonita. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes na lang po Last 2 minutes, last 2 minutes. Second shot is good. 58. Walo. Number 16 to number 4. Biligay kay number 98. Waiting for his teammate. Oh, bad pass. Steal. And now all the way too strong. Last touch. 1 minute and 40. Walo. Nasa bosog ka, sorry po. 58-66. 8-point lead para sa Team Dark. Or Team Laneta. Wide open. Short. Ayan na. Tumatakbo na mga nakaputi. Stop and pop for 3. Wala. Rebound. Sir Boy. Uy, wala pa rin. Ayan na. Number 16. Hinihintay na lang. Ubos na lang ang oras. 17 second shot up. Almost a steal. Naka-recover. Number 4. Drive. Oh! Nakalusot. Balik sa 10. Surge. Ayan na. Abalita. Fake. Uy! Nakalusot. Grabe naman yun. Bumabasa 8. 60-68. Last 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Ayan na. Last 31 seconds. Wala. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Ayan na. Mahabol. Sir Aboy. Uy. Oh, sayang. But there's a foul. Penalty. Last 23 seconds. 23 seconds. 23. 68-60. Walo. Basket by Sir Boy. Abuelita. 7 na lang. 7. Last 23 seconds. Second shot. Miss. Isa pa. Uy. Nakalusot. Ayan na. Umahabol. 5 na lang. 5 na lang. Uy. Wala. 5 na lang. Alamang. Last 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 4. Uy. Wala. Oopsie! Oh, counted. No basket na po. Ayan, and that's the end of our game. 68-63. Ayan, interview natin muna ang ating mga official. Ayan, 68-63. Kuya, pwede lang message lang po. Interview lang. Dito lang po tayo. Sir, kuha niyang first game. Sa tingin mo ba, makakahabol pa rin ba ang team sa araw sa second game natin?
Hindi po natin masabi kasi match naman yung laban. Maganda po yung pinapakita ng bawat team.
Alright, baka may gusto na message po sa ating ngayong araw.
Shout out sa lahat ng ng classmate ko Mandayog, tsaka sa classmate ko sa UBC at mga kaibigan ko at pamilya ko. Shout out sa inyo.
Alright, good luck for the second game. Thank you po. Sino po player of the game? Let's go. 16, number 16. 22. Sige po. Ayan, hello, check.
Sir?
Sir? Tayo. Ay, sir.
Ilang points? Para mabanggit 20 points.
20 points. Ayan, hello. Check. Hello, sir. Core pala. Our best player of the game with the 20 points, sir.
Police Captain Jude Michael Owen.
Ayan. Sir, Captain. Sir, anong masasabi niyo sa laban na yun at grabe ang intense, muntikan pa kayong mahabol. Anong sa tingin mo kailangan pa improve ng yung team sa inyong second game?
Siguro i-continue lang namin yung teamwork namin tapos maging responsible kami sa lahat ng area na sa tuwing nagdedepensa kami tapos share the ball palagi para maganda yung laro ng team namin.
Baka may gusto mong shoutout muna.
Shoutout po sa Canboleros, organized by Bonita Basketball Academy and PNP sa Sinarangan 2007.
Baka may gusto mo sa mata, no? Shoutout pa, yung pamilya.
Ulit, shoutout po ulit sa pamilya ko, sa mga classmates ko sa Mandayog at sa lahat ng kaibigan ko.
Thank you po. See you. Good luck for the second game. Alright, go.